Hello viewers, once again welcome back to my channel. Well, this is an unboxing video. Some of the coins that I have ordered few days back, and I'm unboxing today only. Let us see what are the coins inside. So far, I remember there are four, I think three or four coins, four rare coins. My dear friends, if you are watching for the first time, please do consider subscribing to my channel and please don't forget to like, share, and help me to reach 1000k subscriber, because once I reach 1000 subscriber, as I have said in many videos, that there will be a giveaway right after I reach 1000 subscribers. So to reach this, to attend this 1000, I cannot do without you. So I need your support. Help me to reach 1000 subscribers so that we can have a giveaway very soon. Well, what do we have? Okay. mm, okay, this is a 1 rupee coin under the theme Small Farmers, which was minted in the year 1987 from Kolkata Mint. This is also one of the rare coins, and this coin is in UNC condition. And this is 1966 of Kolkata Mint, 5 pies, copper nickel. This is also a rare coin. Very soon I'll be making out videos for these coins, and this is 10 pies coin of 1977, I think. 10 pies coin of 1977. Okay, here it is. Okay, yeah, 1977 from Kolkata Mint. This is also from Kolkata Mint. So these all four coins are rare coins, and I will be making out videos for all these coins very soon. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. So hope you like this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.